In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online. If a customer has only paid part of an invoice, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to record that payment without closing out the full balance. This is useful because it keeps your records accurate, shows exactly how much has been paid so far, and leaves the remaining balance on the invoice for later. To get started, go to the Create button, which may appear as a plus sign depending on your QuickBooks layout. From there, select Receive Payment. This opens the payment screen where you can apply a payment to an existing customer invoice. Next, choose the correct customer. Once you select the customer, QuickBooks will display any open invoices connected to that account. Find the invoice you want to apply the partial payment to and check the box next to that invoice. This tells QuickBooks which invoice the payment should be linked to. Now move to the Amount Received field and enter the exact amount the customer actually paid. This is the key step when recording a partial payment. You are not entering the full invoice total unless the customer paid it in full. Just enter the portion you received. QuickBooks will automatically apply that amount to the selected invoice, keep the original invoice open, and update the remaining balance for you. That means you do not need to create a new invoice or manually calculate what is still owed. After that, select the correct deposit account. This should be the account where you want the payment to go, such as your bank account or undeposited funds, depending on how you normally handle incoming payments. Then enter the payment date and choose the payment method. Recording these details carefully helps keep your books organized and makes future reconciliation much easier. Once everything looks correct, click Record and Close. At that point, the partial payment is saved and applied to the invoice. If you want to confirm that everything was entered properly, you can reopen the invoice and review it. You should see that the payment has been reflected and that the invoice now shows a reduced balance instead of being marked fully paid. This is a good quick check, especially if you are learning the workflow or handling a high volume of payments, and that's how to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online. When done correctly, this keeps customer balances accurate and helps you stay on top of outstanding invoices with less manual work.